So we've just come back to the same house that we were at a few days ago, where we were making khao buong, which I'm pronouncing khao buong. I'm pronouncing terribly, but it's like pounded sticky rice that they then make into like discs that they grill and kind of puff up and creates like a crispy cracker kind of snack. It's very popular. So this is the root that they use as in place of yeast, I guess, in this process. I'm not sure what it is in English. It smells interesting, but he's just picking it. He's picking it from his backyard right now. The woman here wanted to show us like what it's like from the start. So right now they're cooking the sticky rice, and then we're gonna see how they pound it and use the lever. I don't know what the machine is called, but it's just manually powered to pound the sticky rice and make it into like a glutinous, like mochi kind of consistency before they flatten it and make the discs. Apparently this is 40 minutes. 40 minutes. 40 minutes. I'm tired after 3. It's heavy. I think I'm doing more of the work because I'm on the very end. It's like calling people passing by on the street, like, come help us, like, make this thing. So, and everybody just working, like, making it together and seeing the process is really cool. What it started out with just 3 of us is now like a group of 12. Trying to like stick it to the... Yeah, and then you roll it back a little bit. Oh. Yeah. So I discovered a technique, just folding the plastic, holding it on, and then peeling it off. It seemed to work really well. These all came out really nicely. Yeah, everyone was very impressed with your ability, I think. Today is our last full day in Yasothon. Am is leaving today. He's going back to Chiang Mai. And Laurel and I leave tomorrow to go pick up our car, which is finished. We'll see what the damage is there, and we'll continue our road trip. I don't really know how to conclude our time here. It's been relaxing, it's been enlightening, and generally just really amazing. This is a very special southern dish with so many fresh ingredients. This is like a ginger flower, so you actually use the flower itself, and it smells quite nice. Dok da la. This one. And lemongrass. Thai. Long beans. อะไรอะไร
ตัวฝักยาว
ตัวปักยาว
อ่า
ตัวปักยาว
ยาว
surrounding
ลายเสือ
ไรเสือ
อืม
ไรเสือ
ไทเกอร์เป็นไรไทเกอ
โอ้
ร์
ไรเสือโอ้ like a
Tiger bean.
tiger long bean cool อร่อย these ones are really nice I like these and then green mango and I don't know what else we made the toasted coconut from the coconuts on the land had the water shredded the coconut and then Pelium toasted it so it's like this beautiful perfect fresh toasted coconut and you eat this all together in like a salad and it just has so many different flavors and like components to it I think it's one of the most like unique complex dishes because of all the ingredients but it's like just very fresh and natural too like it's awesome it's like one of the most beautiful dishes because there's so many colors and they use so many flowers which is really fun so this sauce is galangal lemongrass kaffir lime with a bit of soy sauce and palm sugar and these are all things that they collected from the farm here of taking the kaffir lime leaves digging up the galangal cutting the lemongrass and yeah it smells really nice and I guess this kind of reduces down to the sauce that we put in it kaffir lime is a very useful tree like they use the leaves they use the limes this morning we made soap as well we made soap this morning with wood ash from the cooking fires we've put in here and then kaffir lime that they use the peel boil it and then put it in here together with salt and this one she put a little bit of Texapon is a little less harsh otherwise I think the pH is like really high for the soap but yeah just like makes so much stuff today
ครับห่อไม่ได้
ห่อได้ไหม
ไปเลย โอ้เอาไปให้
แอร์โฮสเตสเหรอ
อิ่ม อิ่ม
takeaway meal
เว
for the airplane
ครับ
You're gonna miss us.
ครับ
ไม่ได้นะ
There's just so many colors and flavors in here
ไอ้เครื่องอาจจะไม่ส่งในตกรถตู้มันไม่ค่อย
I'll mix it all
ตู้ไม่รู้
together
เป็นไงตรงนี้ต่อ
รอพี่ไข่ที่คนแข่งขัน
How do I berries flowers herbs coconut
มีตังค์ไม่ไปงานไม่มีตังค์ See you again
Oh no.
next trip
Next trip. And we're on our own.
I'm sweating already
What did you enjoy about this time? Yasothon.
I feel like really I don't know I think I've enjoyed a lot of things I've enjoyed being able to practice more Thai and just like learn more Thai for me I feel like that's like the way that I can learn a language is just when you don't have an option you don't have an option to speak English or people understand English. So you just have to learn more Thai. And the people have been so friendly here. I feel like P. Liam has, just been so kind and teaching us Thai, showing us different things. Just sharing like their life here. Yeah, everybody, really. It's just been like really warm, really welcoming. Yeah, I don't know. I just feel like we've been able to see like real local life. Like nobody's trying to put on a show or like do something special. They're just doing what they do, and it's been really lovely to like be a part of it and get to just kind of experience it. And I feel like it's given me just like a deeper understanding, I think, maybe of like Thai culture and Thai people. Just seeing how everyone is with each other, and people coming and going and saying hi and bringing food and going there, and it's just something really beautiful about how people live here.
Alright, time to go pick up our car, get to Khon Kaen. We'll probably stay the night there to just get some work done, because we're starting to get behind on our videos while traveling, so sorry if you see this late, but we've been in the middle of nowhere for quite some time, so we'll get back at it soon.
I'm personally sad to be leaving the middle of nowhere. Which, is it really the middle of nowhere? Kind of, yeah. Our internet is not good. We cannot upload videos here, but it's been very refreshing and really enjoyed the people here, the vibe here.
I think it was definitely meant to happen this way.
Let's go.
Alright, travel day.
We're about to take a 4-hour bus ride before we can get our car.
4-hour bus ride until we get close to our car.
And that's not even taking us directly to our car. I think they're still doing something. Not sure what. So we're just waiting, and hopefully it's all good for us to go. I'm glad that we didn't have plans to go any further. We're just gonna stay in Khon Kaen tonight. But yeah, we made it. And hopefully our car has made it too.
It's been about an hour and a half. They've just checked out the fluids, double-checked everything that they've done. I think they're just about ready to send it off to us.
Alright.
She feels like a new car.
She basically is.
Yeah. I mean, okay, that took 10 days. And basically what I think happened is he replaced some sort of head gasket on our engine and replaced all the cooling system, the radiator and everything, and all the fluids. Around like 16,000 baht total, which is not the worst thing in the world. It hurts a lot, but I mean, it could be a lot worse. We could be in Canada and that would be like, I don't even know how many baht. Hundreds of thousands of baht probably. At least over 100,000 baht. So. Yeah, I'm happy. It feels good right now. And it is so freaking hot. I think it's 40 degrees today. So short drive to Konkan, get ourselves an air-conditioned hotel room, and get to editing and trying to get you guys some videos.